Alright, so something bad's about to happen, I can almost guarantee it. I told y'all I would load it down with 3 firecracker charges, and what we have in here are 3 firecracker charges. That's what took out the first version of this cannon, and this cannon survived too, but then again it may have weakened it, shooting off on 2. So this time we got a chronograph in line with it. I hope I don't destroy my chronograph. I may have it not perfectly lined up. It's a pretty small hole to shoot through. And then I've got a log behind it. But if that doesn't work, I've got a berm over there and a tree. And, well, anyways, wish me luck. You know the drill. I'll put the camera on slow-mo, light it off, and hide behind this tree right here. So I don't get injured by this thing. All right. Looks like it survived. And what do we have here? Oh, a no read. Oh, well, that's just irritating. Why didn't it read? 1.39 grams, but it didn't measure FPS or anything like that. Doesn't look like I struck the inside of it. Super lame. I wanted to know what kind of speed I was getting out of this thing. Either way, it didn't explode, and went into my backdrop here. Got a little bit of toilet paper that was behind it. I don't know if it went into it or if it bounced back. Kind of think it went into it, based off of previous test going through 6 cans or whatever. And it feels soft through there. I think if I dug it out, it's probably down in there. But no guarantees. Either way, I hope it made for a good slow-mo. Kind of disappointed that I couldn't get a reading off of my chronograph, but at the same time, my cannon didn't blow up and my chronograph still exists. So, guess I'll be happy for that. Alright, hope you all enjoyed. Have a great day, YouTube. Alright, so I had to dig for that BB, and that's the surface it went into. And there it is. Probably 3/4 of an inch into this not completely rotted log. It took me quite a bit of effort to crack it open to where this was, but it's definitely not fresh. Alright, that's it. Y'all have a good day, YouTube.